PSTN, Public Switch Telephone Network. PSTN is essentially a circuit-based network. This is a traditional telephone network and non-IP based. To connect to the PSTN, a local telephone company in your city needs to provide you a cable connectivity and terminate it using RJ11. As you can see in the adjacent picture, RJ11 connector, which is a phone connector, and I have another one which is RJ45, which is a normal Ethernet connector. As you can see the difference in size. Now how we can connect a phone cable into the Elastic server? As I said, we are going to install Elastics on a normal computer. To be able to connect a phone cable into the computer server, we require some kind of interfacing hardware. Now this is the back side of our standard computer. As you can see, there's no port where I can connect my phone cable. This means I need to install some hardware interfacing card, which will enable me to connect my phone into the computer system. Analog telephony card. So this is the card which I can use to connect Elastic's IP telephony to the local phone provider. As you can see on the card, there are red and green circuits or chipsets. What are these? The red one is known as FXO module and the green one is known as FXS module. What these modules do, let's try to understand that. FXO module. The port on analog card that you are connecting the phone cable coming from the local phone company. So this is the module that we will install on the port of the card where we are connecting a phone company which is coming from the local phone company. The port on analog that faces the CO. Sometimes the local company or phone company, the one that give you the phone connectivity, is also known as CO or central office, local phone company. We need to have FXO module installed on that port. FXS module. The port on analog card where you connect the analog phone. This is a form of analog phones which is non-IP based, old-fashioned. Note, FXS port require the voltage from inside computer using Molex connector to generate the ringing voltage. Here I like to show you the DGM A4 series analog card. As you can see, the base card which is having a 4-port and the port numbering which matches starting from the top. As you can see here, this is the base card, and what I need to do is to install or plug the FXO and FXS module. So maximum I can use 4 FXO. That means I can connect 4 phone lines, 4 incoming CO lines from the local phone company. And here I'll show you how you can install on it. As you can see, you just need to push on it, the pins, and it will be installed. Make sure it's tightly installed. And this is the complete picture. As you can see, the central office or the local company, local phone company, and this is my Elastic's PBX. So the FXO which is facing towards the phone company is called an FXO port or FXO, and the one which is connected to the phone, analog phone or a fax machine is known as FXS. I hope you understand this. You don't require FXS module In case if you are using IP desk phones like Yalink, Digium, Polycom or Snom, etc. Soft phones, software-based phone, ATA adapter, analog to IP adapter. Since these IP-based devices are soft phone uses the IP network and don't require the ringing voltage. Therefore, if you are using an IP phones, then you don't need FXS module.